Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're gearing up for your next adventure in 2025, you've probably heard about Google Flights. It's a game changer for finding and booking flights quickly and affordably. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can snag the best deals without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Google Flights website or open the app on your phone. It's super user-friendly and free to use. Start by entering your trip details. Type in your departure city, destination, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Don't forget to select one-way, round trip, or multi-city if needed. Once you hit search, Google Flights will pull up a list of options from various airlines. Now, here's where it gets fun, customizing your search. Use the filters on the left side to narrow things down. Sort by price, duration, number of stops, or even airlines. If you're flexible with dates, check out the Date Grid or Price Graph features, which are new in 2025 updates. They help you spot the cheapest days to fly. Pro tip: enable price tracking to get alerts if prices drop. Once you've found a flight that fits your budget, click on it to see more details like baggage policies and layover info. Google Flights doesn't handle the booking itself, so you'll be redirected to the airline's website or a partner site. Double-check everything, your dates, times, and total cost, before confirming your payment. It's that simple. A few extra tips to make your booking smoother. Always use incognito mode to avoid personalized pricing based on your search history, and compare with other sites like Kayak for the best deals. Oh, and if you're traveling with kids or need accessibility options, look for those filters too. There you have it. Booking flights on Google Flights in 2025 is straightforward and stress-free. Give this method a try on your next trip and save some serious cash. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.